Every single day, millions of people around the world enjoy one of the most iconic drinks ever created.
Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how Coca-Cola are made step by step. Don't forget to subscribe.
Every bottle begins with one essential ingredient, water. Before anything else, natural water is filtered through multi-step. In a secured section of the factory, the signature Coca-Cola syrup is prepared, while the exact recipe remains one of the world's. Sugar arrives in large batches and is dissolved into hot, purified water, creating a smooth, golden syrup. Next comes the sparkle, carbon dioxide. In high-pressure tanks, the drink is carbonated to create Coca-Cola's signature fizz.
Before filling begins, the bottles themselves are created right here in the plant. Tiny plastic preforms are heated and
Every bottle is rinsed with purified water to remove even microscopic particles.
In the filling zone, the carbonated drink flows into bottles at incredible speed, sometimes over 1,000 bottles per minute.
Immediately after filling, bottles are tightly sealed to lock in freshness.
In the quality lab, samples from every batch are tested. Carbonation levels, sweetness, color, and
Filled and verified bottles are grouped into packs and wrapped for shipping.
from raw ingredients to the final bottle, every step is engineered with accuracy and care.
And that's how Coca-Cola bottle drink are made. View cheese from start to finish.
Subscribe Factory World for more AI factory tours and real production process videos.